In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense category in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to select the right category for your expense, and how to save it so your books stay clean and accurate. Start by opening FreshBooks and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, make sure you're in the correct business if you manage more than one. From the left-hand menu, click on Expenses. This takes you to your expense list, where you can review what's already been recorded and add something new. Next, look for the New Expense button. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may be at the top right or visible as a prominent button within the Expenses page. Go ahead and click New Expense to open a fresh expense form. This is where you'll enter the details that will help you keep everything categorized and report ready. In the New Expense form, find the category field. Click into that field to open the list of available categories. FreshBooks provides a set of standard categories that align with common bookkeeping and tax reporting needs, such as meals, office supplies, travel, and more. Use the search bar in the category picker if you see one, or scroll to find the best match. If you're unsure which category to choose, pick the most accurate option based on the nature of the purchase and be consistent from one expense to the next. Consistency helps your reports stay meaningful, and it makes tax time a lot smoother. When in doubt, check with your accountant for guidance on the most appropriate category for your situation. With the category selected, complete the rest of the expense details. Enter the merchant or vendor, the date of the purchase, and the total amount. Add any applicable taxes, a clear description so you'll remember the context later, and, if relevant, assign it to a client or project. If you have a receipt, attach it here so everything is stored in one place. Taking a moment to fill these fields accurately will save you time when you review spending or prepare financial statements. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken back to the expenses list, where you should now see the new expense tagged with the category you chose. That's it. Go to Expenses, click New Expense, choose your category, complete the details, and save. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps each time you record a purchase, your expense categories will stay tidy, your reports will be clearer, and your bookkeeping will be much easier to manage.